Legal drafting is one of the SQE2 written assessments, along with legal research, legal writing, and case and matter analysis. This computer-based examination tests the candidate's application of functioning legal knowledge to a scenario through drafting forms or other standard documents. This assessment also requires a good understanding of the structure and formalities of language that should be used in legal documents. The written part of the SQE2 examination comprises 12 separate SQE assessments over 3 half days, including 3 legal drafting exercises. Candidates will have 45 minutes to complete each legal drafting exercise. Within this time limit, candidates will need to review the assessment specification and supporting documents for SQE drafting, identify the relevant legal principles in the particular case, and draft a legal document or part thereof. This could consist of drafting from a precedent, amending an existing document, or drafting a new document from scratch. Although this assessment is in a somewhat similar format as the legal writing assessment, legal drafting has some important differences. Legal writing generally involves communication between parties, such as writing a letter to a client, whereas legal drafting consists of drafting a legal document with a more specific structure and purpose. The SQE Legal Drafting Assessment is marked by trained solicitor assessors based on their judgment of the candidate's skill and application of the law. It is important to hone your written language skills for this assessment. As well as being legally correct, the style of language should be clear and concise. We therefore recommend that candidates dedicate some time to practicing this important skill through SQE drafting mocks in order to succeed in the assessment and also to capably perform their duties as a practicing solicitor once they have passed the SQE and qualified. Our SMART training service offers guidance and mock simulations for all the SQE2 assessments, where candidates are supported by an expert team of professional solicitors and academics. Our SMART SQE methodology focuses on the concept of active teaching, where students practice each activity and learn from their mistakes through individual feedback and suggestions on further reading and practices from our expert tutors. This approach facilitates the process of learning by doing, rather than just reading, as active participation is the most effective way to develop skills and instill knowledge into long-term memory. We provide brief lectures on drafting legal documents in each practice area, along with SQE mock stations which give candidates the opportunity to practice their legal drafting skills and receive personalised feedback from qualified solicitors. Through our SUPERexam platform, you can choose the practice area and mock assessment date. On that date, you will be assigned an SQE drafting mock with a deadline of around 7 days to submit the document. Our solicitor tutors will also have a 7-day deadline to review and mark your submissions and provide feedback. This approach means that you can plan your preparation in a way that suits you, with full transparency about when you will receive your feedback in order to plan any further revision or additional mocks you might need.